Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Realme 5 Pro smartphone. In this video, we'll learn how to set ringtone in Realme 5 Pro smartphone. First of all, go to the settings in your phone Realme 5 Pro. Click on settings. Click on sound and vibration. Click on SIM1 ringtone. Click OK. You can choose any files from your local folders. Otherwise, you can choose any system ringtones. These are all the system ringtones. Just pick up any tone and go back to activate. Yes. In this way, you can easily set ringtone for SIM2 also. This is also similar to what I have done for SIM1 ringtone. Similarly, you can set SIM1 message tone. You can choose from files or you can choose system ringtone. Similarly, set SIM2 message tone. This is default notification ringtone. This is also similar to what I have done previously. You can also control other tones like dial pad tone, lock screen sound, vibrate on touch, etc. You can also increase or decrease ringtone volume and other volumes. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, take care. Bye. See you.